Good morning, guys. Chris with Hot Shot Pressure Cleaning with an all new video for you guys today. So today we're working in Titusville. I have a house wash and a driveway cleaning. So we're just gonna go pick up some chem right now. I got the trailer all put together. I had to swap out a couple things this morning and do a quick little repair. So it's always something. I'm a little tired today, guys. I worked all night last night. If you're following the channel, you guys know that I'm a full-time first responder. So I did work last night. I came home. I slept for about an hour and 45 minutes, and now I'm gonna go and get this job knocked out. So, all right, we'll see you guys there. Job, so let me show you what we're working with. Alright, so if you can see, we got a lot of green in these gutter areas up here and the soffits. The big thing is if you get up in here, I mean, look at that, right? So these gutters right here looking very green, up there's looking very green. You zoom out here, so we got some algae growing there. We do have a lot of plants here, so we're gonna have to wet this down. All right, so we gotta wet all these plants down over here. And the biggest thing is, guys, is you gotta get underneath here. You see that? So we're gonna get underneath there. We're gonna get that. There's some oxidization here, so we're gonna talk to the homeowner about that. Okay. So we have some algae growing there. We gotta be careful around this because that's vegetable garden. We do have mostly just the white is looking pretty bad, so we're not touching this here. We're gonna do these little pavers back here. All right, so we're gonna do that there. As you see, all of our property protection, we have all the outlets taped up. Some of these don't have covers on them. They haven't had covers, so we went ahead and taped up the plugs. All the windows are closed. That's a big thing that you want to make sure you look for. Okay. All right, guys, let's get started. So we've already done the back side. I mean, you guys can already tell the difference in these sockets and these gutters right here. That's just wow, you know what I'm saying? So these windows are looking good. So this side's pretty much rinsed. I just gotta finish rinsing down there. This side's already rinsed. This side's already all rinsed. I mean, those gutters came out amazing. All right, let's keep going. We're gonna come back and hit this with a surface cleaner here in just a little bit. So let's keep rinsing this side over here. Right here, right? So this is right in front of the house, just over the garage, okay? I mean, you guys see how green that is? I gotta hit this one right here again, but I mean, it's lightening up. Real good. Alright, so we got some bugs and stuff up here. So look at all that right there. Like, we're gonna get all that cleaned up, alright? So that's, we're gonna get all that cleaned up, all that. We're gonna get all this cleaned up in here. steakhouse going, so we got a lot of algae down there. I just hit that, so it's gonna have time to dwell. We got a bunch on the windowsill up there. All right, so you see all that. We had a bunch on this column that's already gone. There's a lot right up there. We already hit that. That's already melting off. You still see a little bit right here on these soffits, this gutter. That's melting off. This is doing good over here. I just hit all this. Excuse me. The front's coming out really good, guys. My gutter's looking white. We still have to rinse all this. Look at that. Remember how bad that was? We still have to rinse it. But that's looking really good. All right, let's get it. Guys, so we're all done with this house over here. So you remember all this right here? This, guys, was covered in stuff. And then remember all this is covered in bugs and just nastiness. So we got all that cleaned up. We got all the algae removed from the soffits and the faces of the gutter. All right, so we did a good job there. We protected all these plants. We wet them down during the wash. All that stuff up there is gone. We hit this, but it didn't come that clean. We hit these little pavers for them here. And then, you know, like I said, we always do property protection. So we got that. I mean, guys, like, look at this, man. This is great, right? Some of this is like felled paint. you know, but other than that, I mean, this is looking good. This is looking real good. So we don't have any algae or anything on the window seals. That right there is just paint and caulking. That's not from us. Okay, so this was real bad back here in this corner. So we got that all looking good right here. Look at that. Guys, that looks brand new. Looks great. So like I said, we do property protection. We tape off all the boxes, outlets, everything like that. So we didn't do this little room right here because there's sensitive plants in there, so we didn't worry about that. But yeah, guys, look at that. I mean, that looks great. We hit these a little bit, but not too much, just because there's a lot of sensitive plants back here. All this looks good. So we're gonna remove, we tape up all keyholes and everything. I mean, that looks great as well. All the soffits are good. What's that? Oh, no, we're good. Yeah. So soffits are looking good here. Okay, all right. So we had a lot of algae down on the bottom here. We had a lot of algae up here on the top. So we're doing good. Wet down all these plants. This thing right here was black. So I mean, we got that looking real good. Customer is extremely happy. Got these downspouts looking good. Had to hit these with the pump up spray a little bit just because there's some stuff right there. But I mean, guys, like, remember we had all kinds of algae down here. All that's gone. We had algae on the windowsill. All that's gone. We had to hit some with the pump up sprayer down here in the corner. Right? So them soffits are looking real, real good. Nice and clean all the way up. Okay. All that's looking good. So alright, guys. And then we just laid down a little post treatment here on the concrete. So we did the driveway and the sidewalks. We laid down that post treatment. So, alright, guys. Well, this is our only job for the day. So please like, subscribe, share. Alright. It helps the channel grow. Comment down below. I'm going to have more videos coming out. Alright, guys. I appreciate you. Thanks for the watch. Thanks for the likes. We'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so we're all done. So we got that house taken care of. That was a full house wash with a driveway cleaning. So it came out really good. There was a lot of algae on the soffits and on the gutters and stuff. Customer was very happy with it. So she said we'll probably be getting this done once a year now. So that'd be good. I'm gonna go back and take care of all like the backyard, like retaining wall and stuff like that. So she didn't want it done today, but she's gonna call me back for that, and we'll get that done then. So did my 5 rounds, guys. So I passed out some cards, did all my 5 rounds over there. I got some postcards passed out. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share, comment, and we're gonna keep some videos coming out like this. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys.